Hey, are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. What's up?
I was thinking we could catch a movie. It's been a while.
Oh, yeah, that sounds fun. Any movie in mind?
There's a new action movie out. I've been hearing good things about it.
Oh, I think I saw the trailer for that. It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, I'm down to watch it. Or we could go for something lighter, like a comedy.
Honestly, I'm good with anything as long as it's not super slow.
Same, I lose interest if it drags too much.
So, when were you thinking? Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday evening works best for me.
Yeah, that works. I've got stuff during the day, but I'm free later.
Cool. Want to go to the theater by the mall?
Yeah, that one's perfect. It's pretty close.
Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe Ryan and Chloe? They'd probably be into it.
Good call. I'll text them.
Sounds good. Let me know what they say.
Hey, I checked the show times. There's one at 6:30 p.m.
That's perfect. Are seats still available?
Yeah, but they're going fast. We should book soon.
Okay, go for it. Can you grab 4 tickets?
Yeah, do you want standard or recliner seats?
How much more are the recliners?
A little more, but way more comfortable.
Let's do recliners then. Might as well.
All right, where do you want to sit?
Somewhere in the middle, best view.
Got it. Let me pick the seats.
Make sure we're all together.
Yep, all set. I'm heading to check out now.
Do you want me to send you my part?
Nah, you're good. You can pay me later.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Done. I'll text you the tickets.
Also, I'm excited. Hey, are you on your way?
Yeah, just left. Traffic's kind of crazy, though.
Ugh, same here. I hope we make it on time.
We should be fine. We've got some time.
Should we just meet there?
Yeah, that's probably easier.
I might get there a little early.
Cool. You can grab the tickets then.
Yeah, no problem. Want me to get snacks too?
Definitely. Gotta have popcorn.
Obviously. Sweet or butter? Let's do one of each. Perfect. I'm almost there.
Nice. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
All right, see you soon.
See ya. So, what'd you think?
Honestly, I liked it. The action scenes were really good.
Yeah, especially the ending. That was wild.
Right? I didn't expect it to go that way.
The story was kind of predictable, though.
Yeah, I saw the twist coming halfway through.
Same. But it was still fun to watch.
For sure. The main actor did a great job too.
Yeah, he carried the whole movie.
Would you watch it again?
Maybe at home, but probably not in theaters.
Yeah, same here.
I'd give it like an 8 out of 10.
I'd say 7.5, but yeah, solid movie.
We should do this more often.
Definitely. Next time, let's do a comedy.
I'm down.